Hi, I'm Chris. I just couldn't wait to share this cute little book that I found with you. It's called The Night Before New Year's and also a 4-week win uh, program that I'm starting January 1st or whenever you're ready. But let me just read this to you really quick. It is by Natasha Wings and the art's by Amy Wummer, and it's called The Night Before New Year's. Here we go. 'Twas the last day of December, what we call New Year's Eve. A whole year had flown by. It was hard to believe. We were pretty excited. Our puppy was too. We cheered out with the old and in with the new. Oh, please, I begged, can we stay up till midnight for this one special evening? My parents told us, all right. So we drove to the store to buy party supplies. Hats, horns, and poppers, and sparkly bow ties. At home, we put up all the streamers and balloons, silver glitter and gold stars to twinkle up our rooms. A banner was hung by the ceiling with care in hopes that baby New Year would soon be there. We gathered for dinner, a grand late night feast, all our family favorites. I ate 3 cupcakes at least. With the clink of our glasses, we all gave a toast, making New Year's resolutions. My dad had the most, but I couldn't come up with one single vow. That's okay, said Mom. You don't have to right now. After dinner was done, we played checkers and charades, then broke out the cards for a long game of spades. We shared fond memories, oh, there were dozens, holiday camping trips and new baby cousins. Our eyelids were droopy, so we ducked out for fresh air. Then came in to watch the crowd lining Times Square. One more hour, said Dad, till the new year is here. Put on your hat, said Mom. Let's practice our cheer, counting down from 10. Without a single mistake, we tooted horns and popped poppers. I was now wide awake. My brother chased our puppy all through the house. Then Mom noticed it was as quiet as a mouse. There was no sound of barking, no little boy chatter, so we sprang from the couch to see what was the matter. When what to our wondering eyes should appear but 2 party poopers. Make that 3 now. Oh dear. While our puppy curled up on my father's lap, my brother and I went upstairs for a 5-minute nap. We both soon were nestled all snug in our beds, while visions of fireworks danced in our heads. The next thing I knew, it was sunny and bright. Rats, we missed ringing in the new year last night. But that's when I came up with my resolution. I absolutely will stay up for the next New Year's Eve. Okay, so a new year. We each get a new year. That's so exciting. And we have a great program that is called the 4-Week Win of creating new habits and being healthy. And it does, I mean, you can do it with or without the products, but the products really will make a difference. So I have been using these for the past 4 months. This packet, there comes 30 in a packet. It has vitamins, minerals, and greens plus essential oils. And it includes a proprietary blend. All you have to do is rip the top off, mix it with water. You can do it hot or cold. It's a super food blend with phytonutrients, antioxidants. It's all liposomal also. So what you use, what you take in, you'll use, because it's not pills where you see them later in your urine. So this is a bioavailability boosting blend that is wonderful. And also the other product that I love using is the E Omega. And it is right here like this. And it's packed with omega fatty acids from wild-caught Norwegian fish. And it has wild orange essential oil that adds an extra kick of vitality and supports healthy joint function and comfort, and also includes 2,000 milligrams of fish oil. It has 800 milligrams of specifically being the DHA and the EPA. It helps balance your omega-3 and omega-6 and helps you to feel fuller between meals, and a lot more than that. So I'll have more information, but I just wanted to introduce that quickly to you and tell you of its availability. You can actually start whenever you want. It's not like a January 1st deadline, but if you do start then you have a few days, 4 or 5 days before, if you want to get the product to go along with it. But like I said, you can do it with or without the product. I just absolutely love this. It's really made a difference in my energy and my skin, just overall health. It's a wonderful boost. So I just wanted to share that briefly with you today and wish you a happy new year. So thanks for being on.